मडगांवां कोकण रेल्वे यार्डाच्या वाठारांत कोयराच्यो राशी पडल्यात। मडगांव नगरपालिकेन कोयर व्हरूंक नाशिल्ल्यान ह्यो राशी जाल्यात अशी माहिती मेळ्ळ्या। हे विशीं कोकण रेल्वेचे विभागीय व्यवस्थापक बबन घाटगे हांकां विचारल्यार कोयर नगरपालिका हरशी एकठांय करता। कोयर व्हरपाक कोकण रेल्वे नगरपालिकेक पयशे फारीक करता, मात कांय दिसा सावन तांणी कोयर व्हेल्लो ना। नगरपालिकेक हे विशीं कळीत केला अशी माहिती तांणी दिली।
That garbage, what is lying at, that's from the Madgaon station and the trains which is being collected and segregated and placed it over there. Usually, Madgaon municipality clears it on daily basis, but nowadays they have stopped it doing, and we are paying requisite fee for that. Whatever the municipality is charging, we are paying those fees, that fee regularly to municipality, and we have requested municipal authorities to clear off that garbage at the earliest.
Stop किती Why?
I have no idea on that, why they have stopped. Otherwise, on daily basis, they used to leave the garbage.